Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today is Monday and the date is 3rd of May 2021. This is your mathematics class and I am your maths teacher with you. My dear students, our today's topic is based on test of divisibility by using the numbers 2, 3 and 5. As you all know that in our previous lesson, in a very detail, we had done about the divisibility rules. So I hope that you all remember the rules. So let's recall what is the divisibility test? Yes, a divisibility test is an easy way to identify whether the given number is divided by a given divisor without performing the division process. If a number is completely divided by another number, then the quotient should be a whole number and the remainder should be 0. And I hope you all know that the answer of the division is called quotient, because whenever we have a very big number, so it's very difficult for us to tell someone quickly that is a divisible by some number. So then we need to perform the divisibility tests. So I hope you all remember about that. So let's recall about the rules again. The first rule is if any number with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the unit place is divisible by 2, all even numbers are divisible by 2. It means any number that ends with the even number, it is divisible by 2. And according to the second rule, if the digits of any number add up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. It means that the digits that we have in a number, we have to add up all the digits, and if the answer after adding up all the digits is divisible by 3, it means the whole number is divisible by 3. Now come towards the third rule. Any number with 0 or 5 at the unit place is divisible by 5. And according to the fourth rule, any number with 0 at the ones or unit place is divisible by 10. So I hope that you have recalled all the divisibility rules, and especially for today's lesson, we need to learn or we need to revise about the divisibility rules of 2, 3, and 5. So let's understand by using some examples. So here we have to use the divisibility by 2. And we know that any number that is divisible by 2 if its ones place is the even number, like if the number ends at 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, so it means the whole number is divisible by 2. And the numbers that ends with the odd numbers, they are not divisible by 2. So I hope it's very clear to you that any number that has even digit as the ones place is divisible by 2. So now we have to check divisibility by 3. So to check the divisibility by 3, if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, we have to check after adding. If number is divisible by 3, it means the whole number is divisible by 3. Like if we have any number, we can see the example here 303. So we need to add up all the digits 3 plus 0 plus 3, and we get the answer as 6. So now we have to check that is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, we can divide 6 by 3 because 3 times 2 is 6. So it means that number is divisible by 3. Now we have to check the divisibility rule of 5. So to check the divisibility rule of 5, we have a very easiest rule. If the last digit that is at one's place is 0 or 5, it means the whole number is divisible by 5. Means we have to check only the ones or the unit place. If the number is 0 or 5, it means the whole number is divisible by 5. Let's take one example. We have 50, so its ones place is 0. So it means the whole number is divisible by 5. So, I hope, my dear students, you understood about the divisibility rules of 2, 3, and 5. Now, again, as usual, I want to end my video with a beautiful quotation. You never fail until you stop trying. So, I hope, my all dear students, they always try to get their best. Thank you, all of you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.